Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next class, that is Geography chapter 4, Climate. This is a very familiar word for all of you. Then climate you have studied since childhood. So I am going to explain you about climate in detail with the help of some slides. As you can see, climate is the average weather condition of a particular place or region. It exists for a long period of time. So weather can change but climate cannot change. Then there are some factors that are affecting the climate of India. Let us see what are those factors and what are their effect on the climate of India with the help of some slides. So first factor that is affecting the climate of India is latitude. Latitude are the imaginary lines that are drawn on the surface of the earth to make you more understand about the structure and location of the places on the earth. So some of the important latitudes are given there, and you can see that equator divides the earth into almost two equal parts, that is northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and India lies entirely into the northern hemisphere. As you can see, the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, divides India into almost two equal parts, that is into northern hemisphere and southern, that is in the you can see there two equal parts lies into the different heat zones. The first part lies into the this temperate zone and the other part lies into the tropical zone. So India is having the influence of both types of climate, that is we have both tropical as well as temperate type of climate in both parts of India. In northern India there is another climate, and in the southern India you can experience some other climate. Now let us see the another factor that is affecting the climate of India. So the another factor that is affecting the climate of India is altitude. As one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitudes, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. This is how the altitude affects the climate. Now the second thing is distance from the sea. As you can see, India is having the peninsular region and it is surrounded by water from all the three sides. So as the distance from the sea increases, its moderating influence decreases and the people experience extreme weather conditions. This condition is known as continentality. Now next factor that is affecting the climate of India is pressure and wind system. The pressure and wind system of any area depend on the latitude and altitude of the place. Thus it influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. Actually, pressure and wind system also influences the climate of India, as because it is affected by the pressure and wind system influences the temperature and rainfall pattern. Now the next factor that is affecting the climate of India is the relief features. You can see the physical map of India in this slide, and these all relief features, you can see Western Ghat, you can see Eastern Ghat, Aravalli Hills and this Eastern Hills, they all affect the climate of India as they stops the rain, and windward side of the mountain receives the heavy rainfall, so the climate is affected. So we have studied the factors affecting the climate of India. Now the another factor is the ocean current that affects the climate of India. These ocean currents some or the other time moves eastward and westward, and this winds causes some pressure over low pressure or high pressure over the sea, and then results into sometimes storms, cyclones and heavy rainfall. Now after studying the factors affecting the climate of India, let us see what were those factors. Those were latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features. Now how monsoon winds come to India and how India receives the rainfall because of monsoon type of climate, this we will see into our next slide. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day, students.